There's a fire burning deep in my soul. There's a fire burning out of control. Already decided, no running and hiding. Still feel the sand in between my toes. Wearing the same shoes that I wore these holes in. One step after the other, so I'll take another and another and another.
Oh, wow. Buksan ko na ba? Uy, bilatan ng kuryente ito pero tayo mo, hawakan mo muna. Yan. Baliktad. Ito. Ayun!
Galing kayo yan yan, paring high.
Ooh, Hi love, how are you? Thank you sa regalo mong relo. Mahal na mahal kita. Yan lang.
When it was sink or swimming, head above water, all our sons and daughters, standing up against the waves on our own, growing tired.
Anong gagawin?
Di ba ganun yun? Chichismis tayo ng mga buhay ng ibang tao. Love letter daw. O, sige, makinig kayo. Chika to. Hi, love. Ala, pinilit ko itong regalo ko sa'yo. Kasi alam mo na, from Qatar and New Zealand, 10 oras ang kaibahan. Taray, I love you. Group hug. Hug nyo ko, group hug nga.
With a fire burning deep in our soul, when we go, with a fire burning deep in our soul.
Ready na ako direct.
There's a town that I grew up in, frozen in time, etched in my mind. It hasn't changed a bit. You'll always have my heart, you know. I take you with me every time I go.
Promise ko lang naman is kahit anong mangyari, nandito lagi ako. Yun ang palagi kong sinasabi sa kanya. Nandito palagi ako kahit anong mangyari. And mananatili. Laging mananatili.
You're the fire burning deep in us all.
Love, I thank God every time I remember you. I still remember the night that I gave up everything to God in prayer. To the point na sinabi kong, Lord, okay na ako. Hindi man pangkaraniwan yung love story natin, pero si Lord talaga ang writer ng love story natin.
The phone rang, caught me off guard, and I know this feeling, no, I'm dreaming.
Hi love. Kumusta ka? You know, I'm very much thankful to God for answering my prayers and wishes. At ito yun.
This is that right place in that right time, standing on the front lines. This was our fire, still burning, every ember I
At ito yun. Nakatayo sa harap ng Panginoon, nakasama ka at nangako akong aalagaan ka, intindihin, susuportahan at mamahalin ka.
see we've only just begun. Bells they're ringing, I know this feeling, a sea of change.
sabay nating nasaksihan ang unting-unting pagbabago ng panahon, pero ang ating pagmamahalan simula una hanggang sa ngayon ay hindi kailanman nagbago.
May mga pagkakataon na pwede tayong sumuko dahil sa distansya nating dalawa. Pero pinutunayan ng Panginoon na malayo man, hindi man nakikita, hindi man nahahawakan, pero nananatili. Mahal kita and I'm ready to spend the rest of my life so blessed with you. Sabay tayong maglilingkod kay Lord tulad ng pangarap natin. Dadalhin natin ang magiging anak natin at papakilala kay Kristo. I love you.
Mistakes was sleeping, now I'm wide awake. Close my eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. Grace and wisdom fight this feeling, change my way of morning greeting.
Pero gusto ko pa ding sundin kung ano yung payo mo. Lingkuran mo talaga ang iyong asawa. Kasi yun din ang susi sa magandang pagsasama. And thank you sa katulong mo sa amin at sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa mo sa amin. Job.